This is the Blackstone spatula mat here. This is 11.5 by 7.25 inches. It's really nice quality. It's made by Blackstone. It has this, you can see it's got a little dip in it here, so when you put the spatula on here, it does go in there and any grease will dissipate in there. And if you're just using one right here, it's got a little opening right here, so it'll just sit in there really nice and easy, so this way the spatula will fit good. But you can fit two of them here. You see I have this one large one and the smaller one right here. It fits in here really nice. But overall, really great product. I'm new to the griddle stuff. A friend of ours who'd been using one of these for a long time, they gave me a long list of items, recommendations to get, and I've just been picking things up like that. And overall, this is just a really nice mat here. You could hang it up here on the side. It will just hang here if you want when you're done with it. But overall, this is a really nice size. I really like the orange. There was another, like a gray one, I believe it was a little bit larger, but I like the orange one, and it fits two spatulas on here, so it's exactly what I was looking for. So if you're looking for this, highly recommend checking it out. It's made out of good material. Blackstone's a great company. This mat is really nice.